Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Guelph housing market report for the month of May 2020. In a nutshell, the market is trending back the way it was when it was hot back in February and March of this year. So let's take a look at some of the key metrics. Median sales price was $569,950, which is up by 7.4% relative to May of 2019. Median days on market is at 15 days, which is up by 1 day. The total number of sales was 158, which is down by 40.6%, and the total number of listings was 222, which is down by 42.6%. So the numbers are quite interesting. When we take a look at these figures relative to April of 2020, so just last month, the actual number of listings is up by over 40%, and the actual number of sales is up by over 102%. We also have a median sale price increase of about 5%. So the market is heating up considerably. I expect this to continue in June because the market seems to be picking up momentum as the time goes on right now. What'll be interesting to see is what happens in July and August when in a normal market things start to slow down. But because of the way the pandemic's affected us, if restrictions start to ease, people are getting out there more and more, maybe the market continues to pick up. A lot of families have canceled their holiday plans, and that's what tends to slow things down in the summer months. People aren't thinking real estate, they're thinking about vacation, they're thinking about their holidays, or taking trips. Well, for a lot of people, that's not happening this year. So personally, I do expect the market to keep increasing. It's very active out there right now, and I do expect it to continue to be busy. Now, if you have any questions at all for me, you're thinking about buying or selling later this year, please feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.